welcome back to the channel. Getting a lot of views. I was just gonna remind you guys, if you like anything or if you have any comments on something I could do differently or something you'd like to see more of, just drop it down below in the comments. And just trying to figure this thing out. And thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I got my SCL 97 Kubota and been wanting one of these for a long time since I started. What we got is it's called a TH 35, a tilt hitch 35. Not sure what the 35 stands for, but this seems to be made pretty strong. Got nice pins. Got wire strips where it pivots, nylon pivoting strips and stuff. So comes already plumbed. We'll see, make sure we got the flat face connectors, but you got your valve block, your hoses running out, ready to just put to any manufacturer skid steer you work on. Don't matter, as long as it's got these flat face, you can put it on. So really nice piece of an attachment here. What this does is you put it on your skid steer, hook your 2 hydraulic hoses up, and you lock it on and it stays on the machine, or you can leave it with a certain bucket that you like, however you want to do it. But then this plate is acting just like this is. So it's almost like, you know, you're like you always are, except you have manual handles. So a lot of people will pick a dressing bucket. You don't really dig a lot of rock. It'll handle probably quite a bit. We'll see. I got a lot of videos coming up using this thing, but what I plan on doing is using it with my straight bucket, my cutting edge bucket, and using it. It's a 80-inch bucket, just kind of like how Dirt Boss does. I've watched him spray gravels and stuff, put a nice crown on the road with that tilt, 30 degrees maybe. We'll know more. I've got paperwork and stuff on it. But I'm going to unbox it and hook it to the machine, raise it up, get everything hooked up, show you guys what it looks like and kind of a unboxing. But another plan that I got is I've got an SR3 rake, which has hydraulic scar fires. But if I roll those up and get them out of the way, I can actually hook it to this, leave this hooked up, and have a tilting SR3 rake. Just can't use the scarifiers, and if you're on your finishing pass and can lean it and create a swell or do anything, I think it's going to be a really nice addition. So looking forward to putting it to the test. Now here's a look at what you see from the cab. Got the level bubble. Appears to go 20 degrees either way. It's got a little pointer. There's the model. Trying to show a few things that once I hook it up, it might be a little harder to see. Trying to do this with one hand. We got one side. Maybe I think it went on there, boys. Lock our pins. Looks like our pins are locked. Yeah. Another thing that's nice about a Kubota, I don't have to put the boom all the way down. I can leave it up even though it's blocking the door, and leave it up so I can show you guys. It might be hard getting back in there. All right. Here's what we got. It appears that hoses are here, ran to our cylinder. Don't ever trust hydraulics, even on a brand new machine. Always put you something. Looks like. Feels like there's lines and maybe a manual, but see, there's skid steer factory locked in right there. Then here's what's gonna go lock it in. It's just like two skid steer plates together, sandwiched together by that big nut in the center, and you got a cylinder back here. Somewhere is back in there. But let's cut these zip ties and see what happens. Well, there they are. Huh, got an extender there to keep them staggered, I guess. Get them out. Now there's a manual or something tucked up right here. Got us a tilt hitch, APTH 35 Kubota. Price, taxes and everything's $3,100 is something like that. 3080 or 3180. So. One thing I'm wanting to do, I don't know why they don't come. There's a hook on the side right here. Keeps that tucked out of the tracks away. Don't make no sense. Why it's not on there. Probably $25 piece of metal. Get the point of it now. 20 degrees both ways is quite a bit. Glad I didn't decide to dump, because that'd have been a beautiful sight in the garage floor here. But the only thing I would say is, it looks like it's simple. I'm gonna change these two because don't know. I'm a stickler. Almost wonder if it wouldn't be easier to change these two lines. Just flip them instead of the big couplers. May do that. One may be longer than the other. I don't know. We'll see. May change it right here. But I'll change it right here. But no problems. Small problems. Whatever you want to call it. But this is a nice setup. It's big, strong looking built bracketry on it, you know, good pins, grease points, whatever you want to call it. Got a big pin in the center and a cylinder, and it's got these nylon wire strips inside this big thick plate, and when you slide it, it's pretty tough to tear it up. Sure, it could happen, but I thank you guys for watching. I'd like to get some future videos out there. Anybody wanting to see anything particular? One's coming up. We'll be crowning a driveway. I'll probably practice a little on my parking lot tomorrow. I may film that a little bit for you and stay in first impression, but I've seen them enough, and I like watching Dirt Boss, and he highly recommends them. I don't even think he ever takes it off of his, and it's always on it from what I see. But I'll have plenty of videos coming up. Drop any questions down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got a lot of views on a lot of videos. Content's just starting to get rolling, you know, so if you guys don't care, give me a thumbs up or drop a comment and tell me what you like or didn't like. Give me some pointers and hit that thumbs up and subscribe for me. It gets me a long ways in this process. Helps keep me motivated too. You're working a lot, trying to have family time. So just here's the bucket. Looking forward to a lot of nice videos with it, and hopefully it makes my job easier. Thanks for watching.